Hello my dear children, hope you all are doing very well and happy at your home with your family members, right? So today once again we are here for studies. Open your passbook, page number 20. Which page? Page number 20 you open and see this passage. Just I am going to explain. Just try to understand and do the practice for it, okay? On page number 20 you see that comparison of numbers written there. Now what you have to do, circle more and cross less. Okay. Now we will study more and less. That is called, here you see the pictures. One ball, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls there? 5. And here you see where there is written less. Just see there. One toy, two toys. How many toys there? 2 toys. So, which is more? More means zyada. Alright? So, which one is more? 2 is more or 5 is more? 5 toffees are more or 2 toffees are more? 5. This one is more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is more. And 2 less. If you just compare, then after. Okay. So circle this balls. That one more. And this one you have to cross because this one is less. Alright. Now here just see the toffees. How many toffees there? This side 2 toffees. How many toffees? 2. And this side 1. How many toffees? 1 toffee. This side 1 toffee. Here 2 toffees. So which is more? Which is more? Where it's written more. M-O-R-E, more. So circle this picture. And which one is less? 1 is less. So just cross here. Alright. So there is the comparison between less and more. Here you can see on this page number 20, this exercise, what you have to do, that cross the less object and just circle the object which are more. Okay. First picture, first block you see how many buses are there? Trucks, sorry. How many trucks are there? 2. And the monkey toy 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just circle between these two, which one is more? 4. 4 things are more, so circle this. And between these two tops, how many tops? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here ant. How many ants there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 number more than 6. So you have to circle which picture? This picture you have to circle where there are the more numbers. 9 is more than 6. So just circle this and cross this one. Here you see that next picture, taps, and that one more picture of that group of toys. Once you see first one, that is the taps. Count it. How many tabs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many tabs? 11 tabs. And here you see the toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So which is more? 14 more or 12 more? 11 more, sorry. Which one is more? 14 or 11? 14 more. So circle this one and cross this 11. Okay. Here next picture you see that first block you see the cats. How many cats they counted? So many. Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 cats are there in this block. And here you see how many helicopter? Huh? How many helicopter toys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 helicopters. How many? 10. And here? How many? Forgot. Once again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This number is what? 20. And here 10. So which one is the more one? Huh? This. Cats are more. So circle the cats and cross this picture of the helicopter. They are the lesser than this cats. Okay. These cats. Now open page number 21. Here in this way I will just teach you that counting of the pictures, counting numbers along with the greater than, less than method. Okay. How will you know that this number is greater, this number is less? Okay. So here just see page number 21. This picture open. This page. Count and write. Count and write first. Just see flowers. 1 flower, 2 flower. Just see here. 2 flowers. How many flowers there? 2 flowers. Count it. 1, 2. What will you write here? 2. And this side? One, 2, 3. 4. How many flowers? 4 flowers. This side, side A, we are having how many flowers? 2 flowers. Side B, how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. This side here 4. So which is greater? Which is greater? 2 greater or 4 greater? Which is more? 4 more. So that one is the greater. This number greater. we will put the sign of the greater here like this. Sign of greater. Where there the number is greater, we will put the sign like this. And where there is number the less, there we will put sign like this. Means opposite of greater. Opposite of greater means where there is that number greater, there this sign we will put and their mouth open of this two slanting lines. Okay. Where there is the number less, there that side, that mouth is closed. It is called like that. That tip of that. The mouth is closed there. That's why this number is known as that less number. And where when we put the sign and just see this number is called the greater. Okay. This one is the less. This one is the greater number. Less than, greater than. So 2 is less than 4 and 4 is greater than 2. This way we say 2 is less than 4. 2 is less than 4. 4 more. 4 things are more. If you are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 things. 4 things more and 2 things less. Okay, 4 things more and 2 things less. So, which one is the greater one? 4. This one is the greater and the less one 2. If we compare 2 things together, a group of these 4 things, group of 2 things. So, which one is the greater one? The 4 one. Okay, and the 2 one is the lesser. So, this is the sign of greater than and less than. Got it now? Sign of greater than, sign of greater. Greater than. Why do we write than? Just because we compare the things, that's why we write than. Between 2 things we compare, 2 groups. This one is the greater one. Just to put the sign of greater, this is the sign of greater. Okay. And next, sign of less than. Less than. Here you see that this one is the sign of less than. This point, joint point, is the sign of less than. Okay. If you have to put the sign of the less than, we will put like this. This mouth should be closed, this point. And if you are putting the sign for the greater than, you have to put like this, that this slanting lines to that mouth open. That side is known as the greater and this side less than. This side is the greater and this side is the less than. Greater than, less than. Okay. Where there is the mouth open, there is the greater than. Where there is the mouth is the closed, that one is the less than. Okay. This one is the greater than and this one is the less than. Now, next is that sign of equal to. Sign of equal to. Equal to is that equally. Means barabar, bilkul. Both the sides having that level and balance equal. One marker, one marker. It's what? Equal. One marker, equal. Okay. Two pens, two markers equal. Two digit equal, two here and two here. That one is that equal. Okay. One pencil, one pen, counting equal. Okay. So that one is the equal one. The sign of equal to is what? Just see here. One star, two star, and side A two stars. Now side B you see. Side B. One star, two star. Two stars are there this side, two stars are there this side. Okay? Got it? Two stars are there this side and two are this side. So both the side equal. This is the sign of equal to. Okay? There is no any difference like greater than and less than. Both the sides are equal. That's one. This one is the sign of equal to. Where the things and digits are equal, we will put this sign equal to. Okay? If there is greater and less than, that time we will put the greater than less than. If the things are equal, there we have to put that sign of equal to. Got it? Now, here we are having some exercise just to fill. Just see there. Put sign this or equal to. Okay. Now, we just go through the digits. Okay. Now, 4, 6, 5, 3, 7, 7, 8, 2. Now we have to put that these signs equal to is there, greater than, less than at the right place. So what will you do? First do the practice of it. Which digit is there? Which number is this? 4. And here this side 6. Which is greater? Which is more number? More. So 6 is greater. Yes. So this is that sign of greater than. 6 is why it is called greater than? We are comparing two numbers, two digits, two things, two groups. Okay. So 6 is greater than 4. That's why we have put the sign of the greater than. Okay. Next number you see 5 and 3. Which number is greater? 5. This mouth is open this side. And which number is that less than? 5, 3. 3 written. So this one is the sign of less than. Okay. On the same digits, if that the same question, we can see both the sign together like greater than or the less than. If you see this way, here you see 4 is less than 6. So this one is the sign of less than. When you see that 6 is greater from 4, so this one is the sign of greater. Here similarly, here this sign is greater than, so 5 is greater than 3 and this sign is that of less than, so 3 is that less than from 5. Got it? Now here you see 7 and 7. Equal digits. No more, no less. Both the sides equal digits. So here you will put sign of equal to. Alright. Next digit you see 8 and 2. Between 8 and 2, which is greater? 8 is greater and 2 is less than. So, sign of less than is this, sign of greater than is this. Got it? Got it? So, greater than, we will put this sign, that is that mouth open, and the less than, what do we see with this sign, that mouth closed. Got it? Understood? Yes? Now, some exercises are there in your book also, page number 21. You have to do, okay? Now, count and write numbers and put these signs, greater, less than or equal to. Here you count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many birds? 4. Written? What's written there? You have to write 4. How many cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What have you written? 6. Which is greater? 6 greater. Which is less? 4 less. Okay? So put this correct sign. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count again. How many telephones there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, put 9 there. First you write digit 9. Here, how many pastries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pastries. Very tasty, huh? Want to eat? So, count and write first here digit. How many numbers? Which number? 8. How many pastries there? 8. So, which is greater and which is less? Pastries are less than telephones. Pastries were 8, so sign of less than is that, like this. That point joint, this point joint, okay? Here greater, so points open, okay? So this mouth is open, that one is that. How many telephones there? 9, okay? Similarly, do this also exercise. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So here this side you write 11 and next side you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This side you write that 12. Which number is that more? 12 is more, so that's why you put this sign, okay? And 11 is less, that's why put this close sign. Which side? Where that picture less, okay? Things are less. Next picture you see, count it first. First block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you first write there 14 number. Now next picture count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Count it with me. Yes. Counted 17. So which is less? Which number is the less than? 14. 14 less than 17. So the point close which side? 14 side, and point open which side? 17 side. If the things are greater, more, that put open mouth, and things are less, so put which sign? That close. Okay, less than sign, that mouth close. Next picture you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number? 7. And here you see two pictures are there. 1, 2. Two things are there in this picture. So which is the greater? 7 greater than 2. So their mouth open that side where there that pictures are more, and the close where the picture less. Okay. Now here once again one more exercise you do. Count it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many the pictures there? 8 picture. Here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which is greater? 10 is greater than 8. So that's why the mouth is open this side, and that less than the mouth is closed that side. Okay. So understood you all? Do practice many times. Study well. Thank you, class.